In this video, we are going to see about the topic parts of plants used as food. There are many parts of plants that can be used as food. Many plants store food in many parts of their bodies. Now we will see about vegetables. What are vegetables? Roots, stems, leaves, flowers and some fruits that are edible. Edible means that we can eat. So these are called as vegetables. These parts are edible, means we can eat. So these are the parts of the plant that we can eat, and these parts are called as vegetables. Okay, now we will see about the roots that we eat. What kind of roots we can eat? Some plants store food in thick and fleshy roots, correct? That grow underground. They grow under the ground. Example are carrots, turnips and radishes. So these are the roots that we eat because this plant store food in this roots, okay, fleshy roots, and these roots grow underground. Now we will see about the stems that we eat. Some plants also store food in their stems, and those kind of stems may be thick or swollen and juicy. Okay, so what are the examples? The examples are sugarcane, bamboo. These are the stems that we eat, and these stems grow above the ground. There are other stems also that we eat: potato, ginger, and these stems, they grow underground. That's why they are called as. Now we will see about the leaves that we eat. There are some leaves that we can eat, and those leaves are called as edible leaves, that is spinach, cabbage, onion, coriander. These all are edible leaves. That means we can eat them. We also, and this onion is the fleshy underground leaves. Fleshy underground leaves. Then we will see about the flowers that we eat. Flowers that we eat are cauliflower, broccoli. These are the flowers, and then banana, the flowers of banana, neem also we eat. So these are the flowers that we eat, and there are many other flowers also that we eat. Then we see about the fruits that we eat. What are the kind of fruits we eat? You like fruits to eat, right? So there are some sweet and juicy fruits or plants, and they are like apple, orange, banana, mango, grapes, and many other are there. These are eaten raw, means we eat them like that after washing them, and these are not cooked. Then there are also some other fruits of the plants such as tomato, cucumber, capsicum, brinjal, lettuce finger, etc. These fruits are cooked, and these are not eaten as raw. Then we will see about what are vitamins and minerals. There are some important substances that are present in the plant food. They help us to be healthy, and these are called as vitamins and minerals. What are vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage and carrots? They lose vitamins if they are cooked. So we should eat these vegetables, either we should eat these vegetables as raw or we should cook them lightly. Did you understand? Then we will see about the seeds that we eat. Seeds are divided into groups. First we will see about the cereals. Cereals are the edible seeds of the plants. Okay, example, rice, wheat, maize and oats. They are also called as grains. Cereals make up a large part of our food because mostly we consume this rice, wheat and all. So a large portion of our food is made up by cereals. Then we will see next pulses. What are pulses? Pulses are edible seeds of green gram, that is moong dal, kidney beans rajma, chickpea is chana dal, and the lentils is masoor dal. Okay, these are pulses and this we all use mostly in making dals, different varieties of dals. And kidney beans, you know, rajma chawal is a famous recipe, and these all are belong to pulses. Now we will see what is flour. Flour, cereals and pulses are ground to make flour. This flour is used to make chapati, bread, porridge, idli. Okay, so these all are cereals and pulses. When they are ground or made into fine paste or powder, then it becomes flour. Then we will see about the nuts that we eat. Nuts that we eat are the fruits and seeds of some plants. Here are the fruits and seeds of some plants. They have a hard outer covering which has to be cracked open. To find the edible part means to find the part that can be eaten. They have a outer coat. Example, almonds, groundnuts, walnuts, etc. So most of them have a hard outer covering which has to be cracked open to eat the nut inside. So these were the parts of plants that are used as food that we have seen.